Welcome to my channel. My name is Stephanie, and today we're making a super easy and delicious blueberry muffin recipe. Let's get started. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Now let's measure out all our ingredients. You will need 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar, a pint of blueberries, half a cup of milk and olive oil, 2 eggs, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, a half a teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Be sure your blueberries are thoroughly washed and cleaned. Now that our ingredients are all measured out, we're ready to start baking. I used a KitchenAid stand mixer to make these muffins, but a handheld mixer will work just as great. In a large bowl, we're going to mix together our flour, baking powder, and salt using a whisk. This just helps to aerate our flour and break up any clumps. Set the flour mixture aside for later. We will now pour our sugar and oil into our mixer and beat for a few minutes until the sugar and oil are well combined. While my sugar and oil are mixing, I like to crack my eggs in a small bowl just to get them ready for the next step. Once our olive oil and sugar are well combined, we will add our eggs, one at a time, making sure the first egg is well combined before adding our second. We will now add our vanilla extract and mix. We are finally ready to start adding our flour mixture that we set aside earlier, along with our milk. I alternate adding the flour and the milk. This just helps to ensure all of our milk is absorbed into our batter. I add a little bit of the flour mixture first and then some milk, and I repeat this process until all the flour and milk are well mixed into the batter. Once everything is combined, turn off your mixer, and with a spatula, I like to scrape the sides and bottom of my bowl just to make sure everything is fully incorporated. Now ready for the main ingredient, the blueberries. Using your spatula, carefully fold the blueberries into your batter. Now that our blueberries are folded in, we're ready to start baking. Start by adding your cupcake liners to your muffin pan, and then begin adding your batter. Once you have your muffin cups filled, place the muffin pan in your preheated oven and bake them for about 18 to 20 minutes. Once your muffins are done baking, they should be slightly golden on top. Now they're ready to eat. I hope you enjoy! Thank you for watching, and I hope you give this recipe a try.